Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI Eraser in Gallery on your HONOR Magic8 Lite. If you'd like to do it, go to your gallery and then select a photo that you'd like to use. So let's say I use this one. And now click on AI Edit. Then find AI Eraser. Agree, and now select size of the brush. You can basically use 4 different options. The first one is circle to erase, and let's zoom in to make it easier. When I circle this object, it will recognize it and remove it from the photo. So as you can see, it's not there anymore. Then you can also brush to erase, so you'll need to just brush over that subject to remove it. I could have selected a larger brush, to be honest, but let's do something like this. Sometimes it's useful when it's small images. Well, I filled in something here because it made sense, but then you can erase passersby. There's none here, but if you wanted to do it on some picture where there were any, you could do that. Or remove reflection if there were any reflection. If there was any reflection from any window, if you did a photo through the window. Let's try erasing a few more things there to make it a little more fun. Let's see if it does that. It did recognize the objects correctly, and it did remove them correctly. So that is also pretty cool. And then let's try maybe doing some more complex thing here. Yeah, for that, it would be more useful to actually do the brush thing. So I'll cancel that, and I'll do brush to erase. I'll do just a larger size of the brush here, and let's try marking it all. Let's see how it goes. Probably won't fill in the USB ports, like won't do empty USB, but we'll see. Yeah, it just did like nothing here. But it did remove it, and that is pretty cool. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.